Hello kids, let's learn some colors. Green, red, sky blue, brown. This is pink, black and orange. Look how beautiful it is all. Today we are going to learn numbers. These are the colors. Let's start to write number. Kids, this is 1. Look, this is 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These are the numbers 1 to 10. Let's color it. Orange, pink, green, red, sky blue, orange, pink, green, red, blue, One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Bye. Thank you for watching. Please